Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox so that you can talk to your friends in Roblox. If you get voice chat in Roblox, it can also help you in game recording because then you won't need external voice chat source like Discord to talk to your friends while playing game with them. To enable voice chat in Roblox, first you need to verify your age. To do that, if you have opened Roblox website, click on settings icon from top right corner, select settings from menu. If you have opened Roblox player, click on three dots in left hand side bar, click settings, go to account info. In birthday section, make sure the age is correct and same as on your national ID or passport. You can involve a guardian or parent to fill this section as well. Let parent handle this account if you are underage. Once you change the age, click verify my age. It will show a QR code. Scan that using mobile phone and go to the link it redirects to. Use your passport or national ID, scan both sides and submit. Then the app will take your photo and your identity will be confirmed and you will get confirmation message. Close that pop-up. Now go to privacy page. Scroll to chat features. Enable chat with voice option. Not every game supports chat, but most do. After identity confirmation, I am joining a player in a game. Tap escape key or go to game settings. Make sure volume is turned on. And for input device, proper microphone is selected. Resume the game. Now you see this box over character's head. Voice chat is muted right now. Unmute to talk and chat with nearby players. If it's working correctly, you will see green signal for the mic over character's head. You will see green signals for other players who have also turned on voice chat. If you go away from players in the game, your voice will fade out for them. They will hear you when you are close to them. Only nearby players will be able to listen to you. Also, if game has background music, you will hear that too because you have turned on game volume and that includes in-game music too. But there you go. That is how you enable voice chat in Roblox. I hope it helped. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.